Hi everyone. There's a question here. The question says a boy spent one third of his pocket money on candy. He spent two-fifths of the remainder on biscuits. If he had $50 left, how much is his pocket money? This is actually very simple, but a lot of people still find it difficult. But I will explain this in details. The first thing we'll do here, since we do not know the pocket money, we'd say let the pocket money be X. So the first statement says he spent one third of his pocket money on candy. One third of his pocket money. And what's the pocket money? That's X. Of X. He spent that on candy. That's is equal to candy. So one third of is same as 1/3 times X over 1, which is same as X over 3. That's for candy. He spent that on candy. The next statement says he spent two-fifths of the remainder on biscuits. So two-fifths of the remainder on biscuits, that means we need to get the remainder first. The remainder after spending X over 3 on candy of the pocket money on candy, that's 1/3 of the pocket money on candy. So what will be the remainder? The remainder will be X, which is pocket money, minus X over 3. This over 1. So you need to get the fraction then. So this will be the remainder. And that is getting the LCM, the LCM is 3. How many of 1 can you get in 3? That will be 3. Then the 3 times 1 will give you 3. 3x minus x. Because how many of 3 can you get in 3? It will give you 1. 1 times what you have here, x. That's x still. So that's this. Then it will eventually be 3x minus x. That's 2x. 2x over 3. So that's the remainder. Okay? After getting that, which is the remainder, then you fall back to this. He says he spent two-fifths of the remainder on biscuits. So for us to get the biscuit now, that will be two-fifths of remainder. Two-fifths, which is 2/5 times the remainder. What's the remainder? That's 2x over 3. And that is 2 times 2x, which is same as 4x over 5 times 3, that's 15. That's 4x over 15. That's for biscuits. Okay? That's not all. It says if he had $50 left, how much is his pocket money? So the amount to buy everything plus what is remaining will give you the pocket money. Amount for candy and amount for biscuits, then the amount you have left, which is $50, will give you the total amount you took to the market. So let's get the total amount you took to the market. What is this? The amount for candy is what? That's x over 3, which is x over 3, plus amount for biscuits, which is 4x over 15. 4x over 15 plus $50 will give you what? X. So what do you do next? You have to collect like terms. When you collect like terms, but let's work on this first. This x, let's balance everything. This is the LCM is 15. How many of 3 can you get 15? That's 5. 5 times x, that's 5x. Plus how many of 15 can you get? That's 1. Then 1 times 4x will give you 4x plus 50 is equal to x. So to do this now, you then collect like terms. This 50 here is equal to x minus everything you have here. So let's work on this. 5x plus 4x, that's 9x. That's 9x over 15. This is over 1. So 50 is there for the LCM again. The LCM is 15 of this, that's 15. How many of 1 can you get? That's 5, that's 15 rather. Then 50 times x, that's 15x, minus 9x for this. So 50 is equal to 15x minus 9x, that's 6x. 6x over 15. 6x over 15. 3 here, 2. 3 here, 5. Then you eventually have 2 here, 1. 2 here, 25. So x would therefore be what? 5 times 25, which is $125. So $125, that's what it took to do market, which is the pocket money. So let's confirm if it's true. Candy is x over 3, which is same as, and our x is 125 over 3, and that gives you, which is $41.67. The next is biscuit is 2, which is 4x over 15. That's 4 times 125 over 15, which is $33.33. Okay, and the remainder is $50. So let's check if everything will actually give us $125. That'll be biscuit, which is 41.67, 41.67 plus 33.33 plus 50. Let's confirm if everything gives us 125. That's $125. It's confirmed. Hope you understand. Bye for now.